Hello friends, welcome to Trueview. Today we will see the unboxing and configuration of Trueview 4G dome camera. Let's get started. As you can see, its box packing is quite premium and attractive. It supports Alexa, all-time color camera. It has a lens with 3MP resolution. It supports cloud recording and is completely made in India. This camera has inbuilt high-sensitivity microphone and speaker, so that you can do audio recording along with video. Also you get full duplex audio intercom feature. It has white LEDs and IR LEDs, so that you get a color view during the day as well as at night. This camera has intelligent motion detection with push notifications. With this feature, you get a notification on the mobile app on any human or motion detection in the vision of the camera. A special feature in this camera is pre-recorded message broadcast. With this feature you can play customized recorded audio clip on motion detection. Like it is forbidden to come here or it is forbidden to stay here. You can use a 256GB memory card for recording in this camera. Some QR codes are given at the bottom, by scanning which you can get the user manual of this camera, Android or iOS mobile app, or you can download PC software. Let us now open its box. It is a thank you card with the same QR code on the other side as on the box. This is an accessories box, in which 12V 1A adapter, QC card, and screw pouch will be available. This is Trueview's 4G dome camera, which is looking quite attractive. Remove this protective film. It's the lens and the lights. This is the speaker. Now we will move towards installation. ADC 12V socket, a LAN connector, and a reset button is given in the connectors of this camera. Detach this ring. Take off this cover. Insert the SIM card into the slot and push it in slowly. Insert the memory card into the slot and push it in slowly. Put the cover on. Mark where the camera is to be installed with the help of the ring. Drill the holes on the marking. Insert plastic grips into the holes. Insert the cable into the ring. Fix the ring on the wall with the help of screws. And in this way fix the camera in the ring. Plug the adapter cable here and plug the adapter into the power socket. After switch on, you can see this green light means our camera is now on. Now we'll move on to the mobile configuration. First of all, we will download TrueCloud app from Google Play Store. After that, open the app, then agree and allow it. To use the app, you must first register by clicking on Register. If you are already registered, after entering the details, click on the Confirm button to log in. To add the camera to the app, we need to scan the QR code given on the camera. If you have fast internet connectivity, the camera will connect instantly. Type in the device name and confirm. Camera is now online. You can select the video quality. Can mute the sound. Can take screenshot. Can do manual record and full screen. To view the recorded footage, click playback. Click on the settings button in the upper right corner for camera settings, in which you can do recording setting, image setting, can do storage settings and other settings. This was the unboxing and configuration video of Trueview 4G Dome camera. Like and share this video. Like and subscribe to our channel to see unboxing and installation videos of other Trueview products so that you can get updates of upcoming videos. Thank you.